What's up, guys? This is Seaside here. We're back at it again with this is a 2007 Camry, and the issue this customer's having is the previous mechanic worked on it. They tried swapping these out, so instead of just removing the pins, they cut all the wires. And see, they didn't put them back the way they should have been. Look how they left it. So yeah, that's quality work. So I looked up the schematic and I found it, and so all these are wired the way they are. It's from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the spark plug, and then these, it's pin 1 through 4. So pin 1 for all of them is going to be brown. Pin 2 for all of them is going to be the blue and white wire, the white wire with the blue line. And pin 4 for all of them is going to be the white wire with the black line. And then for each one specifically, they each have their own colored wire. I mean, you can't mess it up. It's the only spot where it should go. So for this one's going to be for the 1 is going to be the all white. For the 2 is going to be the green with this, it calls out a black line, but it's more like a red line. I don't know if it varies for specific years. That's for 2. For 3 is going to be the solid green. I haven't wired it up yet, but it's going to be the solid green for pin number 3. And then for the 4th one, it's going to be looks like a green one as well, like a lighter or off green or something like that. So, but all the other wires are going to go in the same spot. Pin 1 brown, pin 2 white with the blue line, pin 4 white with the black line, and then whichever wire is left for each one is going to be on pin 3 for each. So that's that, guys. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.